What's up guys, Stixx Picks back with a video. We're at the flea market. Well, as you can tell, we're actually at our warehouse right now, but in the video, we're at the flea market. Make sure you stay tuned for that.
Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing, man? How much you doing on the PlayStation?
20. Games, $3 each, 2 for $5.
All right.
Hey.
Hello. How much you doing for the Xbox?
60 with the, it has a cable right there.
And how about this PlayStation?
Give me 100 for both.
Oh, this one.
How much on the bats? $5, all right. I know bats could be money, guys. I've never bought one yet to sell, but like, I know they are. How much rest in your Xbox?
Give me 20.
All right. I only got 100. You guys got change for 100?
We just did that.
All good. Can you like save it for me for like a couple minutes and I get changed?
Yeah.
And that gives me time to find that one charger for me too.
All good. Appreciate it, man.
He's always buying video game stuff, so if you ever get him, just show him some.
How much is the PS3?
I don't even know if it works or not. $15.
That guy in the U-Haul has a GameCube and some games. Oh, you saw it already?
Yeah, I don't know if he's not taking it out though, is he? So.
Oh, I don't know. He told me 200, so I was just like, ooh.
It's mangled Xbox. Maybe I shouldn't do that one. What's up?
Did you guys find those all the time?
How about the controllers? Yeah, you sell the controllers individually?
Yeah, I do 15 for 3 there. $5 each.
Appreciate it. Would you guys have paid $5 a piece on those controllers? They didn't have battery packs. I'm back.
You back?
I'm back. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see, they're asking something on this. How much are you guys asking on this? $8. Is it even new in here, guys? It looks like it might be new. Would you go $8 with this cord as well? Just some random cord I need for the Xbox.
You can open it because I don't know what is inside.
Maybe I should open it first.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for making sure as well. I asked for this cord as well because I'm pretty sure this is a good. I need this for the Xbox, but I hope I didn't just. I mean, I bought it for $1, so it's not too big of a deal. How much you on the PlayStation?
So the other one's like that. The 30 all day long. That got the internet.
The HDD thing? Yeah, I know. I get it. How much you ask on the PlayStation?
I could do $50.
How about the Xbox?
I'll do the same thing, man.
All right. Was it just like a GameCube console, or like some games too?
No, it had the game. It had the games. It had the Game Boy adapter on the bottom.
Oh damn! All right, it's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Someone told me, I was like, all right, I'll check it out, but I knew it'd be gone here pretty quick.
Yeah. You guys know about paintings, man? Because I got some paintings at storage. I bought.
Yeah, my dad knows like the bigger names and like if it's like kind of real or not. I would definitely ask him. How much in the games?
$3.
I wish I bought that PlayStation, guys. I only had 100 on me and I didn't ask to reserve it for some reason, and it sold pretty quick. For 20 bucks a PS2 isn't too bad. Keep in mind it has no cords, no controllers, it's untested. So at the same time, I probably miss out. What's up, man? How you doing?
How are you?
Coming here late. You set up late, man.
Oh, no, I really come now. It's all like whatnot now.
I agree. You do whatnot too?
Yeah.
How much you asking on the Xbox?
120.
All right. $120 for, let's see, we have a controller, and he does have some games. I'll give him that. And there's some more games. I guess 120 bucks isn't a bad deal. If you're able to find someone that's buying the Xbox, of course, to buy it and play it, that'd be a dope sale, which would still be hard because 120 bucks for an Xbox 360 is a bit much. How much you asking the PlayStation?
I did 20. I think you still have the connectors for it. $20.
You mind if I see if the cords are in the box too?
Check.
Sweet. All right, paid $5 for this, guys. No cords so far, so we have no idea if it'll work. Maybe there's cords though. Let's see. There's no cord, sensor bar, and stuff like that, so it does make the sale a bit harder. Luckily, I do have some of these cords though, so I can at least test it. I won't be able to sell it with the cords though, but I can test it. I think console only should sell for about 30 to 40 bucks if I'm correct. Actually, I don't know, it's kind of beat up, guys. Yeah, you can actually probably clean it up. How much you doing on the bats? $5. I might as well just risk it, you know, try different sales sometimes, see how well a bat might sell on eBay. Let's just try it out. Thank you, man. The condition is, I'm pretty sure, I don't actually know anything about bats, but I'm pretty sure like the condition is a big factor. Like this is the one that's in the best condition and it sells. That's why I actually am getting it. I think some of these other ones probably sell well as well. It just has to be in good condition. I was looking up some of the bats just because I feel I can just tell by like looking at it. It just looks like higher quality. And I was looking this up, Vendetta di Marini. And these bats are still selling in like pretty scratched up condition. I think this is the exact bat that I saw since pre-owned. And I mean, look at that condition. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not in good condition like I thought most bats would be that are selling online. So if he's asking $5 for that, I might as well go get it. And I mean, I don't want to look weird, but I might just sit there and look up a couple bats. Everyone's passing by the bats without looking at them. Nobody even cares about them, guys. Nobody even cares. I was expecting $5 for this. I'll pay $1 though. I was really expecting to say $5. That's pretty much most people will say on this. I was looking up Eastwood and it's not really a good brand. Stealth Comp. Easton Stealth Comp. Got another bat as well. I saw this exact bat in about this condition, maybe slightly cleaner for 80 bucks, 70 bucks. So if I paid that, I could probably sell it for 30 to 40 bucks and it won't do too bad, right? All right, this is the end of the video. If you guys have watched all the way to the end, I really do appreciate that. Put a heart in the comments, honestly, to see if you actually watched this far. I like to see who has and who hasn't. I really do appreciate that though, and peace out.